Hi guys, today what we are trying to do is we're going to set up 4 targets, 20, 40, 60 and 80 meters, and it's windy here today, but let's see how it goes. I do have containers, probably similar to the size of a rabbit. Yes, that's the third one. Nah. This is the last one I'm going to try. If this doesn't work, go home. Oh man, no, that's enough for today. Now we're gonna check the impact of the bullets. Alright, you can see. Yes, here. That's the first one. The second one. I made 3 shots, but it's the first hole is there, but can't see at the back. And the third one. This is a crucial one. Oh wow! Look at this. It's been through. It's been through the first wall. At the back, you can see a little dent. So, which is a powerful shot from 60 meters distance. I'm happy with that. And this is the last one that I never made it. I can see some shots just right here, and I can still see the pellet as well. But yeah, I wasn't lucky enough to reach here. Alright, that's all for today. Alright, we managed to hit 3 targets with multiple shots, but we never made the 80 meter one, so it is what it is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe as well. We'll see you next time. Cheers.